Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like to read books?
Uh, in uh, in spare time, I want and I like to read books like English newspaper because I start my journey to learn and study arts. So I in spare time I read English newspapers
Instead of
and
newspaper, you can talk about books. So
books,
in my spare time, I read books which are
books,
related to English
English
because I want
related,
to improve my
English
English, something
habits.
like that. Okay.
That.
So don't change the topic. Instead of talking
Hmm.
about newspaper, you
Yeah.
can talk about books. But keep the newspaper in mind and all that.
Okay.
Okay. Why don't children read books these days? Why don't children like to read books these
Because
days?
I thought that
I think that.
I think that it's time of uh, social media,
Hmm.
and all the childrens I observe that they skip the books and instead
Instead of
they
books,
carry
yeah.
phones
Hmm.
instead of their books. So all uh, ch- all, uh, all
Try
childrens.
to listen,
Hmm.
try to organize your answer,
Hmm.
and you should answer in 5 6 sentences. Why don't children like to read books? I think for children, reading a book is a boring activity.
Boring activity.
In the presence of mobiles, laptops, and gadgets, book reading has become dry and boring. That is why children don't like to read books. That's
Read
it.
books, yeah.
Just one idea and elaborate around that idea. Okay.
Okay.
Would you like to buy new books in the future?
I think so. No, all the books which material we need relevant to our studies available on internet and on social media and YouTube's.
Okay, so
So
that
I
is
think so.
why
Not I don't need
I don't need to buy any new
any books.
book in the future.
Yeah.
All right, let's go on. It's your turn. Do you like to watch sports programs on TV?
Yes, sir.
Do you like to watch sports programs on TV?
Yes, I like sports program on TV in my free time because when I bored,
When I feel
I
bored,
feel bored. I on my TV and
I
watch to
turn on my TV,
I
turn
I
on,
turn on my TV and watch to sports
watch the sports programs.
programs.
Okay, do you like to watch live sports programs, or do you like to watch them, the recorded ones?
I like live programs. I like watch to live
I
program.
like to watch
I like to watch
live programs.
live program because it's very charming
They are very
and they are very
attractive, they are very
attractive,
charming.
for me.
Yeah, and they are full of suspense.
full
We
of
don't know which team is going to win, which team is going to lose.
and therefore I want watch to live
Yeah, I would like to watch
watch
live
to live
programs.
programs.
All right, let's go on. What kind of games do you expect to play in the future?
I expect I play tennis.
I would love to play tennis
I
in the
would
future.
love to play tennis in future because I love tennis very much. So I will play tennis.
I
in
will
future.
play this game in the
in the
future.
future.
Good. Just try to understand the question, focus the question, and 4 5 sentences. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. Thank you.